I'm just trying to watch some damn TDM and I see this. Bro, I thought it was a pigeon having sex with another pigeon. This red kite is eating a pigeon on my desk. Pigeon! His mouth is still going up and down. Bro, are you okay? What are my parents going to think about this? Bro! I'm scared of birds now.
Don't you bring it back either with the dark magic. I want to see it. Guys, there you go. That is the infinite upload.
There's a cat.
Hardcore world. It just shows you that even if we think we're in this...
But we have a thing meant to scare cats.
Definitely not. A ravager, two stacks.
Bro, what? Bro, this is confusing. You're killing it.
Today's episode stays in today's episode. So I hope you enjoyed this random hardcore episode. Thank you so much for
Pigeon.
regular hardcore mode episodes will return back to normal. All of this
My parents are going to have to clean this.
the only time it's happening, okay? I make exceptions for April Fool's Day. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If you appreciate it, subscribe brand spanking new to the channel by hitting that big red subscribe button just below the video. And I'll see you guys, all of you, in the next one. Goodbye.
Ooh! What the hell? What did I just witness?